Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very easy job. We're going to be taking this old faded BMW badge and replacing it with one of these new ones I got online. So all you're going to need is a cloth and a card like this. Line the cloth up so there's a barrier between the card and your paint. Get it under. And just work it around. Should start to lift up. And now this will lift right out. So this old one just pops right out. So those two pins hold it in. I'm gonna clean this up before I put the new one on, just because that's a spot in the car you can only clean very seldom. So now with the old emblem off, the spot is all cleaned up. And I can take the new emblem, line up the pins, make sure the BMW logo is upright. Should slip right in, a little push. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a 5-minute nose job on an E46 BMW. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.